In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a YouTube TV playback error so you can get back to watching your favorite shows and live events. Playback errors can occur for several reasons, but don't worry. Most are easy to resolve. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable signal is one of the most common causes of playback issues. Restart your router or modem if necessary to refresh your connection. Next, try restarting the device you're using for YouTube TV, as glitches in the app or system can often be resolved with a simple reboot. If the issue persists, clear the cache of the YouTube TV app. This can usually be done in the app settings on your device. Another step is to ensure your app or software is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may have bugs that cause playback errors. If none of these steps work, try signing out of your YouTube TV account and signing back in, or use a different device to see if the problem is specific to one device. As a last resort, visit the YouTube TV Help Center or contact their support team for further assistance. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you fix a YouTube TV playback error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.